So, hi guys. It's already 7:54 a.m. here in Singapore. But luckily, I was able to check in at an earlier time kasi the standard check-in time here, same with Philippines or any hotels, I guess, would be 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So I just paid for 30 SGD so that we can take a rest. Thanks Justin of the V Hotel Lavender. He upgraded my room that has a city view. So let's see. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's gonna be right here. By the way, ang tagal kong di nag-vlog, so please bear with me, guys. Does it focus? Parang hindi siya nagpa-focus sa akin. Hello? Ayan. So this is the view of my room. So I don't know if you guys can see it, pero here you go. That's the view. So not bad. Okay, and then for the room tour, guys, it's gonna be very quick lang kasi this is the main door. And then pagpasok nyo, parang may sabitan lang here. Yan, sabitan ng stuff, gamit, pants, bags, and so on. And then of course, yung comfort room. Yan, it's very small but it's okay na for one person. So, mag-isa lang naman ako during my travel. Asan na yung ilaw? Hang on. Is it this one? There you go. So, mag-isa lang naman ako for this birthday travel. So, ayan. Tapos, by the way, guys, the amenities of this hotel comes with the gym and the pool. Anyway, dalawa yung bed ko. Ayan, dalawa yung bed ko. Ba't ako natatawa? Pero mag-isa lang ako, guys, ha? Mag-isa lang ako. I don't have anyone with me right now. I just opted to get 2 different beds. Wala lang, para for a change. Pero pwede naman siguro pagtikitin yan later on. Pero ayun nga, it's my celebration for my 27th birthday. I just turned 27 few days ago. And I'm just really happy that I'm able to travel solo again. So ayun, with this amazing view, guys, like, gosh. And then I can't wait for the food. Sabi nila masarap daw yung food here sa Singapore. So I cannot wait for it. I'm still making up my mind if tutuloy ko ba yung Universal Studios ko. Because a lot of my friends are discouraging me na not to go to Universal Studio because I'm alone. Pero we'll see. Ayokong mag-Universal Studio bukas because it's gonna be Labor Day tomorrow here. Same date sa Philippines. We're expecting high volume when it comes to that. Pero ayan, let's just cherish this moment for us to rest, and I can't wait to eat good food talaga. Good food. That's the one that I'm looking for. Yun lang. So, I'm back, guys, and I decided to jog na lang muna since medyo maaga pa. So ayun, we're gonna jog. Medyo nag-pig out rin ako kasi sa airport yesterday, and of course we need to enjoy, but at the same time maintain our physique. So yeah, we're gonna jog. Just gonna go for a 5-kilometer jog and probably explore the place so that at least meron tayong idea where to eat, what to do, where to go, ganyan. And I also brought my running shoes. So for this trip, guys, medyo madami ako dalang shoes. I don't know. Parang meron yata akong dalang almost 4 pairs. Pero anyway, I'll just insert some clips na lang if meron akong makitang interesting while I am exploring the neighborhood dito sa hotel sa Lavender. First thing to do in the morning, we burn the calories from yesterday. Ayan, so I'm just waiting for the stoplight. Tagal. Woo, let's go.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will come.
That's trouble already. It's Rabbit. He's after the Allspark.
Go and talk to Donkey, as any of you could if you wanted to. Now it's 2025, and there's plenty of phones in here. Look, there's one pointing at me right now. Hello, no, keep recording, we don't care. It's your phone, record as much as you want. But I would say,
Question, and thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good, but tell the Fario, add more dynamite.
Good morning guys. So it's my last full day here in Singapore. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog yesterday. I went to Universal Studios Singapore. And so I had fun naman so far with the USSG. And then for today, I'm just gonna check out a mall. Mustafa. Is that right? Mustafa Lion King. Para siya sa mga fragrances or mga pabango. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check it, and then later on we're gonna be trying the Maxwell Hawker Food Center. To try the Chan something. Chan something. But anyway, I'm just so tired, and it's already what time? Mga 10:30 yata. I'm a bit late when it comes to my itinerary. Pero yun, come with me today as I explore more Singapore. I am now all set. Then naka-jorts ako. I don't know if you guys can see. And of course, ating comfortable shoes from New Balance. So let's go. So hi guys, I'm in Mustafa Center and naka 1 hour na ako dito because of mga pasabay and all that. Mga perfume. Exhibit A. Yeah. So mamimili na ako ng pasalubong sa mga friends ko. And I don't usually give out pasalubong unless you're that special friend. So sa mga makakakuha ng pasalubong, alam niyo na guys. So medyo nagugutom na rin ako guys kasi mga oras na ba? 1 o'clock na. And hindi pa ako nag-breakfast or dinner. Breakfast or lunch. Anyway, tapusin na natin pa para makauwi na. Buhay OFW. Char. I'm walking to Maxwell Center, Hawker Center, and grabe, I cannot feel my legs because of yesterday's agenda. Sakitan ng legs ko. Help! Anyway, let's eat. Hindi na ako nag-ano guys, sorry. Hindi na ako nag-tripod kasi I'm running late. So this is my fit. Going to Spago. Yan. So that's the fit. Check na lang natin sa mirror. And there we go. So this is the fit guys. As a birthday boy. Yan. So that's gonna be it. And mag-ayos pa ako. Maya na ulit. Hi guys! I was able to check out na. Bilis. Let me just adjust the brightness. Masyadong mataas. Para kung kukunin ni Lord. I was chilling na sa lobby ng airport. I mean, ng hotel ko. Kasi nga nag-check out na ako. Because later, I would be in Kuala Lumpur na. And then what's crazy is that someone messaged me both in IG and TikTok. Pero una ko nakita yung sa TikTok asking me to confirm my full name and my date of birth. And then medyo na shock, nagulat in a way because like why would a random stranger ask you to confirm your full name and your date of birth? Then kinabahan ako, napacheck ako sa bag ko, which is this one. Yan. Andyan kasi yung passport ko. Whenever I go out, dala ko siya just in case, you know, something happens. And ayun, medyo naging bad idea siya kasi nawawala yung passport ko. Nawawala siya. Take note, it's already 1 p.m. And I'm gonna be crossing the border mga 5:45. So yun, buti na lang someone was able to get it. So I'm gonna meet him or her today. Hopefully makuha natin yung passport or else I won't be able to cross the border and go home to the Philippines. Anyway, that's it.